Okay, Shelby, you want to go to the park? You want to go to the park today? Sit. Good girl. Stay. Good girl. Okay. Get the lead. Okay, let's go. We've got tree toes in the pocket. And water.
Shelby, sit. Sit.
Shelby, good girl. Okay.
Go.
Go, 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 go. I've got the door keys. Yes, I have. Shelby. I'm trying. Oh. Water the grass. Good girl. And off she goes. Hopefully it's not going to rain. Go on, Shelby. Come and jump.
Ready?
Good girl. Just all the cut grass, I think, isn't it? They just piled it all up. They smell good. Come on. Instagram shoot over. Good girl. Good girl. You can have a tree toe when we get to the rest point. Yeah. Okay, that doesn't mean we have to run to the rest point. No, you're wrapping me up. Good girl. Good girl. Seems like there's some kind of running event on today. Not too sure why. We certainly won't be participating. You mean a good sniff? I think that's a bit too big for you, baby girl. Come. What you call sniff of? Dog has peed here within the last 24 hours. Shelby, this way. Come on. Good girl. Over the bridge we go. Oh, and the dog's ahead. Calamity will be ensuing. How exactly has she got wet footprints? Shelby. Come on. Good girl.
Shelby. Shelby, come.
Got halfway there. Okay. We're going cross country. Whew. I need to do more exercise. What are you seeing? Come on, out there. Shelby. Come. Wait, out of there. Come. Sniffer. Good girl. Whew. In the ditch. Quiet today, isn't it? Normally rammed over here. Oh, squirrel alert. On the far hill, just over there. She hasn't seen it yet. There's a tennis ball there. Don't let her pick that up. We don't know whose it is. Oh.
That's a good girl.
What can you see? What can you see? What can you see?
Look at the fishies.
Look at that. Lovely plastic bag sitting right in the middle of the lake. What did you see?
I think she dribbled and then and then like the little wavelengths. Like...
Ducks ahead. Ducks ahead. Come on, Mum. Gotta get the ducks. Yeah, you're not following them. Good girl. She's not too sure about these wooden platforms, is she?
Yep.
These molehills? Anthills? Just random piles of soil. Not too sure. Okay, rest time.
Sit. Shelby.
Shelby, you want some water?
Sit. Good girl.
Yeah. Shelby. Hey, Shelby, want some water? Good girl. Good girl. Alright, thirsty, running out. We're running out of water. Good. We'll leave that down there. Tree toes. Okay. Oh. Nice little relaxation spot.
Boop. Yes.
Good girl.
Boop. Yes.
Good girl. I've got some bad news for you, Shelby. No dogs in water.
It's not going to stop that dog.
It's alright, she can't read.
But these are my bad feathers.
Give her one more. Come on, Mum. Hungry. Okay.
Shelby. Leave it.
She's being distracted.
Okay.
Good girl. Lovely. Slobber leggings.
Put you on a short leg.
Good girl. There's too many sticks. Where's it gone?
1.
Oh, watch where you're throwing it. Good girl. Okay, right. A few moments later, one much relieved dog, one rather stinky bag, as we march to the dog poo bin. Oh, Shelby, what have you been eating? You have no shame, dog. Good girl. Whew. Just tired. So am I, to be fair. Whew. Okay. It doesn't work. Lovely. There we go. Whew. Oh, the joys of being a dog dad. Face off with a pigeon.
I want that.
That little smile.
Shelby.
Okay. On the way back to the car park. Whew. Last leg in the forest. Yeah, very funny. Full of the puns today. Just doesn't want to go home now. Come on.
Come on.
Good girl.
Sit.
You happy, girl? Ugh. That slobbery tongue. Face of happiness right there. Get you a big bowl of water when we get home. Okay. Good girl. Come on. That tired little face. Good girl. Who's your good girl? Want some water, yeah? Good girl. We had a good time. Oh dear. You that tired? Oh, okay. Good girl.